Hello friends, welcome to Fractions 2.0. Our agenda for today is like fraction addition and subtraction, unlike fraction addition and subtraction, mixed fraction addition and subtraction, and in tryouts we will see some examples to familiarize our learnings and concepts. Before we start our session, let's recollect what we have learned in the last video. Like fractions always share same denominator. Unlike fraction always have different denominator. A mixed fraction has a whole number and the proper fraction combined. LCM is known as the least common multiple. Okay, let's see how to add like fractions from here. How do you add 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7? First, you should not touch the denominators. The denominators will be as such. So the denominator will be 7 and the equation to solve this question would be 3 plus 2 by 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 by 7. Congratulations if you have got this question correct. Let's see. What is 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9? So 4 by 9 plus 1 by 9 means 4 plus 1 by 9, which is 5 by 9. Now let's see how do we subtract like fractions. Well, we use the same formula we have used for like fraction addition. In like fraction addition, we added the two numerators and divided by the denominator, but here we will subtract the two numerators. In this case, the two numerators are 3 and 2. So the answer is 3 minus 2 and we divided by the denominator, which is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. And if you divide it by 7, the answer is 1 by 7. Now let's see. What is 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9? 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. What do we use? Use the same formula we have used. 4 minus 1 divided by 9 equals 3 by 9. If you simplify it, you can write 1 by 3. Okay, now let's see how to add unlike fractions. 1 by 7 plus 4 by 9. Now, what can you do actually? We can find the LCM and we can change the fraction so that the denominator will be same as the LCM. For example, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What can we do? 1 by 2, we can change it into 2 by 4 and we can add 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. But this actually takes some time and I am going to show you a secret method which you can use to solve these type of questions in a shorter period of time. How can you do it? First, make sure that these fractions are in their simplest form. 1 by 7 is in its simplest form and 4 by 9 is in its simplest form. It cannot be refined further. So now we multiply 9 and 1, which is 9, and we multiply 7 and 4, which is 28. 9 plus 28. And now we need to find the LCM for the denominator. We write 7 and 9, put a bracket of L here, and as 7 is a prime number, the GCF for 7 and 9 is 1. And as it is 1, we divide 7 and 1, which is 7, and we divide 9 and 1, which is 9. We multiply 7, 9 and 1 which is 63. So the formula for this is 9 plus 28 by 63. 28 plus 9 is 37. So the answer is 37 by 63. Now let's see what is 5 by 9 plus 3 by 8. We check if it is in its simplest form, and it is. 5 by 9 cannot be refined further, so is 3 by 8. We multiply 8 by 5 which is 40, and we multiply 9 and 3 which is 27. 40 plus 27 is 67. And now we find the LCM of 9 and 8. How is it possible? 9 divided by 1 is 9, 8 divided by 1 is 8. So the answer is 67 by 72. Give yourself a round of applause if you have got this question correct. Now let's see what is 5 by 7 . Now let's see what is 5 by 7 minus 4 by 9. It is in its simplest form. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 45 minus 28 is 17. And the LCM of 9 and 7, as we discussed in the previous question, is 63. So the answer is 17 by 63. Okay. How do we do 5 by 9 minus 3 by 8? Take some time for this question. Okay, I hope you have found out the correct procedure and the correct answer. The procedure for this question would be 8 multiplied by 5 which is 40 and 9 multiplied by 3 which is 27. 40 minus 27, it is 30. And the LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. So the answer is 13 by 72. Now let's see how do we add mixed fractions. 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 3. So what is the first step? We convert this into an improper fraction. 1 by 3 is 4 by 3 and 2 1 by 3 is 7 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 3 is 11 by 3. Here we enter into a different method, a little bit different, but if you stay close, then you can understand it very easily. 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 6. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 is 10 by 3. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 plus 1. It is 25 by 6. So 6 can be divided by 3. So if you multiply 10 by 3 by 2 and you multiply the denominator by 2, the answer would be 20 by 6. So 20 by 6 plus 25 by 6 is 45 by 6. Now let's see how to subtract mixed fractions. 2 1 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 3. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 5 by 3. 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is 2 by 3. Let's see how to subtract mixed improper fractions. So 2 1 by 5 minus 1 2 by 3. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 5 by 3. So 11 by 5 minus 5 by 3. Now this is in its simplest form. So 11 multiplied by 3 is 33. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So 33 minus 25 is 8. So 8 is the numerator. Now let's find the denominator. The LCM of 5 and 3, 3 divided by 1 is 3, 5 divided by 1 is 5, 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 is 15. So the answer is 8 by 15. Now let's see some examples to familiarize our learnings. What is 1 by 32? I'm sorry about that. It's 1 by 32 plus 29 by 32. 1 by 32 plus 29 by 32 is 30 by 32. Let's see what is 37 minus 29 by 43. So you leave the denominator as such. You only subtract the numerators. 37 minus 21 by 43. The answer is 8 by 43. Now let us find the answer for unlike fractions. 38 by 64 plus 4 by 8. And now you need to simplify this into the simplest fraction so that you can find the correct answer. How do you simplify 38 by 64? 38 by 64, when you divide it by 2, you get 19 and 32. So 19 by 32, 4 by 8 can be added as 1 by 2. So this is in its simplest form. So now we can plan our secret method. 19 multiplied by 2 is 38. 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. So 38 plus 32, the answer is 70. And the denominator is 64. So either you can write 70 by 64 or you can write 6 by 64. But wait, are you enjoying this video? If you have, please do subscribe to this channel. Now let's see. How do we subtract 8 by 20 minus 5 by 60? Simplify 8 by 20 by 5 by 60. How do you do that? First you write 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. 5 multiplied by 5 is 5. So 24 minus 5 is 19. And the common number here or the LCM here is 60. So the answer is 19 by 60. Now let's find the answer for mixed fractions. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 5 by 3. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42 plus 5, which is 47 by 6. This is in its simplest form. First you multiply 6 and 5, which is 30. And you multiply 47 by 3, which is 141. 30 plus 141 is 171. And the common factor or the LCM here is 171 by 6. Now let's see what is 20 37 by 43 minus 15 29 by 43. You write 20 37 by 43 minus 15 29 by 43. Here there is no need for doing such complex problems because now you can subtract 20 minus 15, which is 5, and 37 minus 29. The answer is 8 by 43. So the answer is 8 by 43. Okay, now try this one at your home. If you feel confident that you can crack this problem at your home, then you can carry on. But if you do not, then I will explain it to you. First, you divide 4 by 4, which is 1, and you divide 8 by 4, which is 2. 38 by 2 is 19. 64 divided by 2 is 32. So 19 by 32 plus 1 by 2. You cross multiply 19 and 2, which is 38. 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. The answer is 70 by 64 or 6 by 64. Okay friends, try this question at your home. I will visit you with more videos. I will visit you with more videos on fractions, decimals, LCMs, and I will be uploading a chess video soon. So please stay tuned for that also.